Just got home for 36 hours, so I'm going to get out and have a fly tomorrow with this gear. Now, this is a new Matek 1G3 gear. It's the newest 1.3 gig gear out on the market, which is fantastic because we haven't had anything new for a long time. This is the VTX 9 channel with the 1258 and 1280, making it legal for US, although the other channels are unlocked on these units, so I'm not sure how they'll go with selling. The VRX, which is a goggle module, so it'll fit your Dock King, any of your Fat Shark goggles. I'm actually going to stick it into there, into the Eagle Eye, so I can run it on a screen, and comes with a couple of antennas, tuned at 1200, so they are right in the middle of the band. So chuck it on that, and I'll get you some DVR footage early in the morning.